Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So many students ask me this question that ma'am, please tell us few courses that are free as well as online and provide certificates as well so that we can go for these courses to boost our resume. So I'm back with this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you three short and free courses, and they also provide you certificate. These are online. You can go for these courses and definitely you will get a certificate after that, and that you can showcase in your resume or your LinkedIn profile just to enhance it, right? Now these courses are for students, for college going students, or who are in job hunting process, searching for jobs, or who are even working professional, want to upgrade their skills. So these are good to go. You can go for these courses and they are short, so within a few hours you can complete these courses to get that certificate, right? So the very first is, but before that, I just want to tell you one thing. If you want to upskill yourself during the summer vacation, like want to go for DSA, want to be really good in DSA as well as a programming language like Java. So you can go for my courses. You can go to the website and check out. We have two courses. One is Java from scratch. One is mastering DSA with Java. So if you are interested only to learn Java, then you can go for this course. Here you will get that complete Java course. No prerequisite is required. If you don't know anything about coding, you still go for this course. I'll be covering everything from scratch. Okay. Plus, if you get stuck somewhere, obviously when you go for a new language or new thing, then you have doubts. So it's okay. I'm here to help you because every week I'm going to conduct a live Q&A session. So you can join that session and you can ask your doubts, and I'm here to answer. Plus, you will get access to a dedicated WhatsApp group as well. So you join that group after enrolling in this course, and there also you can ask me your doubts, or you obviously interact with your peers or other students who are in this course who are on the same journey. So you can discuss your problems and like this. This will definitely help you. So it's like a community kind of thing you get here. After completion, you will get a certificate as well. And if you don't like this course after purchasing, it's okay. You will get 100% refund within 7 days of enrollment, right? So you can check out this one. And next is we have, if you want to go for both DSA and Java, so you can go for the second course, DSA with Java. There also Java will be covered, and then DSA from basic to advanced. Same live session, live doubt resolution session you will get every week, and WhatsApp, dedicated WhatsApp group also. So apart from this, here in these courses will not just focus on the theory part that you will get some bunch of recorded videos. No, we'll be focusing more on projects, lead code questions, placement questions, quizzes, assignments. I know that theory is very important to be very good in a programming language, as well as to be you can say very good, to be very good in DSA problem solving. So I'm just going to teach you how to solve a problem, the approaches, not just theory, DSA and all, right? So it's different. Okay. So the link on this course, you will get a coupon code as well, gift 15, so that you get extra 15% discount on DSA with Java course. So the link of both the courses you will get in the description box of this video. If you are interested, you can go and check out. Now let me tell you, the very first course, which is short and sweet and free, is Introduction to Data Analytics. Yeah, the link you will get in the description box of this video. Don't worry. So, as the name suggests, it's for if you want to go in that, if you have interest in data analytics field, you can go for this course. It is great for beginner. It's beginner level, right? And having 5 module, you can enroll for free. But yeah, once you enroll for free, then it will ask, because it's paid course. But I have a trick. You can go for this course freely. Let me just show you how. So as you can see, it is approximately for 10 hours, right? Learn at your own pace, and it's beginner level, and rating is also great. So what you will learn, you can also check out, explain what data analytics is and key steps in data analytics process, and different types of data structures, file format, source of data. So these things you will gain, the skills you will gain in this courses, these, and you will get a certificate, assessments, and it's taught in English. But let me show you, if you go for free, then you will not get certificate, right? You have to pay to get the certificate. But if you want to learn, then you can learn freely, right? You have to log in. If you have your account or don't have, then register here. So I just created my account, I registered. So you choose a program that is IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate. It's provided by IBM. There are 11 courses in this program, right? So you just click on next. Course 1 is this, Introduction to Data Analytics. 11 different courses, but we are going for Introduction to Data Analytics. So next. And now, yeah, see, it's now paid. How much time you need to finish. So you, according to that, you have to pay the fee. But now you can click on the C, audit the course. So just click on this, audit the course, and you can access this course freely. Only the difference is, yes, I commit to complete this course. So start the course and that's it. But drawback is you will not get certificate. So if you need certificate after completion of this, if you think that okay, it's good, I'm learning something and it's good. So after that, you can just pay the fee and you can unlock the assignments, quiz, and that certificate as well. But for learning purpose, freely you can learn. No need to pay anything for this course. The next is by TCS. TCS I own Career Edge Young Professional. This is for free and you will get a certificate as well from TCS. Yeah, it's a well reputed company. So about this course, what you will get in this course? Basically, it is of for 2 weeks, like commitment 7 to 10 hours per week. It's in English language and self-paced videos. Who are going to benefit it from this course is undergraduates, graduates, and postgraduates, freshers especially, who are going to enter in this corporate field now. So if they want to get familiar with the corporate culture, then this course is for them. This is, I guess, the best one. If you are a fresher or if you are a final year or third year student, it is the best one because you are going to enter into this corporate field now. Why I'm saying it is the best one. You see what to learn in this course. There is no prerequisite for taking this course. What you will learn. See what you will learn. First is behavioral skill. You will get to build workplace camaraderie. Second is presentation and communication skills to create an impact. So it's kind of you will get soft skills and that are really important. Create effective resume that gives strong profile visibility. So yeah, if you're a fresher or a final year or a pre-final year student, this thing will definitely help you. Business etiquettes appropriate in a corporate setting. That also you need when you're going to enter into this corporate field. Fundamentals of accounting and IT as well. That's great. And concept of artificial intelligence. So I think this is the best one. You must not miss this. You must go for this course, right? Now the syllabus is, you can see the syllabus. I'll give you the link in the description box of this video. Communication skills, presentation skills, soft skills, career guidance framework, resume writing, group discussion skill, interview skill. What else you need when you are preparing for a placement? These all things you need. And once enter, then have to survive in that, like have to behave in that corporate field, in that environment. That also they'll tell you. The business etiquettes, email writing, effective email writing, telephonic etiquettes, many things, right? And after that, you will get a certificate also. So you can see such kind of certificate you will get from TCS. It's a good thing. You can add this to your resume, right? Next is this. This is free. Next is, it's about fundamentals of digital marketing. So from Google. At the last, you will get a certificate also from Google, Digital Garage. So fundamentals of digital marketing. If you are interested in this field, you can go for this course. Here, I guess you will not get any videos kind of thing. Theory notes you will get, and you can just have to answer some questions. You read out, answer the questions, and at last you will get certificate as well. So if you are interested in this field also, like in digital marketing, you can go for this, right? So one by one you start from here. Core concept are these, right? So one by one you will start and you have to follow some steps and that's it. It lasts like after completing, you will get a certificate. So these are, I guess, three courses which I recommend. Is the best one is that TCS one for young professionals, because the first one for data analytics is what, for those who are interested in that field only, right? If you are not interested in data analytics field, in that field, so obviously no need to go for that, right? And if you are interested in digital marketing, then this is good for you. But the middle one that I have told you, the TCS one, TCS Ion, for young professionals, that is, I guess, be helpful for you guys if you are a fresher or if you are final year student or pre-final year student, or even first year or second year student can also go for that course. So do let me know in comment section which course you are going to start today, or maybe you can go for all of them, or if anyone you are interested. And if you want me to upload more such kind of videos, you can just let me know in comment section. I'm here to help you. So that's it for this video. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.